There are many changes from Disney's animated Aladdin to their new live-action remake, yet none quite as noticeable as these new character developments with Jasmine. Jasmine is given many more scenes in the remake compared to the animated version of Aladdin, and she's not only added into more scenes where she was not previously included, yet she's also given more scenes that feature her, and she also plays a much more crucial role in the defeat of Jafar. As stated earlier, in the original animated Aladdin, Jasmine uses her sexuality to seduce and distract Jafar, but once she's caught, she's trapped in an hourglass and doesn't do much else to help. In the remake, Jasmine not only uses her mind to cause Jafar's first wish of becoming Sultan to fail, but she also plays a crucial part in the final flying carpet chase scene at the end. It is also this inclusion of Princess Jasmine in these scenes that helps to further showcase her main motivation of wanting to become Sultan. In the original Disney animated Aladdin, Jasmine's main motivation for not wanting to pick a suitor is because she wants to marry for love. Yet in the live-action remake, Jasmine's main reasoning for not wanting to marry is because she wants to become Sultan herself. It is this change in her motivation that truly increases the amount of agency that she displays. Jasmine not only has this desire to become Sultan for noble and good reasons, but she's also putting the needs of the kingdom before her own. It is also the fact that she is capable that justifies this want to lead. She is both well-educated and has the mindset that is needed in a leader. Before the live-action remake, Jasmine could still be considered to be an inspiration to many Disney lovers, yet it is with this change in her character that Jasmine has become a stronger female role model than ever before. Not only is she intelligent, beautiful, and kind-hearted, but she's also now a strong female leader, a trait that we want young girls to look up to. With this more inspirational Princess Jasmine also comes the amazing message behind her newly added in song, Speechless. Speechless is a beautiful, powerful song that delivers the message of standing up, speaking out, and not remaining speechless. It is a song that adds even more to just how inspirational she is when we hear her belt out about how she will not be silenced.